after drama ĩrĩa yakorirwo ĩgũkũ nenda-inĩ cia ũkinyanĩria for months after ESSY Willy gũkorwo akĩgira TRIZA na kuma kĩhiko-inĩ kana kuma matrimonial home, nĩ ũhoro wakorirwo ũkĩarĩrĩrio na njĩra ĩmwe mũno. And fast forward rĩrĩa gwakorirwo gwĩkwo launch ya TRIZA after maũndũ macio mothe, I know you all know the story of how it all went. Nĩ kwĩyumĩririe story atĩ ESSY Willy is no longer in good terms with TRIZA, tondũ ũrĩa TRIZA akorirwo akiuma nyũmba-inĩ ya ESSY Willy after launch ĩrĩa mekire, ESSY Willy nĩ akorirwo akĩrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩmwe nene mũno harĩa nenda-inĩ ciake, na akiuga nĩ ateithĩtie TRIZA to where she could, na ona nĩ atũmĩte nginya agatuĩka nginya brand, na aigĩte brand yake at a risk nigetha akorwo agĩteithia TRIZA, na kuona atĩ maũndũ macio mothe nĩ arĩkĩtie gũkorwo akĩhingia. Nĩ onete arĩ wega akorwo akĩrekereria TRIZA, ona kuona atĩ for that time akoragwo akĩandĩka ndũmĩrĩri ĩyo ndonete TRIZA for quite some days, na TRIZA ndaugĩte kũrĩa athiĩte. Na rĩu kũrĩa Obina Show live umuthi ESSY Willy nĩ akorirwo kũrĩa, na by the way the show was awesome. Kaũndũ rĩrĩa ona show ĩyo kũrĩa Obina Show live, you need to go and watch it. Harĩa nakorirwo akĩcokia ciũria kadhaa, but what I got nĩ drama ĩno ya TRIZA, Karangũ na ESSY Willy, na ona Wanja Nyarari nĩ yahutirio handũ ũhoro wa mũgũnda. And why? ESSY Willy arakorirwo agĩcokia mũgũnda ũrĩa ahetwo nĩ Wanja Nyarari. And now ESSY Willy arauga atĩ she helped TRIZA to a point where she became a brand, and at that point ndangĩahotire gũkorwo akĩmũcontrol. Nauga atĩ fame changes people, and there is a way that fame ya kũiguĩrwo tha mũndũ atangĩhota kũmĩcontrol, and that is what got TRIZA mamake mũraya after launch yake, nginya akiona rĩu no aume kũu na athi akorwo akĩikaria without letting ESSY Willy know.
TRIZA nani?
TRIZA ni bibi ya Karangũ.
Mlikosania nini?
Na nani?
Na TRIZA.
Hatukukosana. Once umejitolea kufanya kitu, unajitoleanga kufanya either ilete negative or positive. Hatukukosana, maybe hatukuagree sana kwa vitu mob is a mwisho. But siwezi kaa chini hivi ati nianze kusema tulikosana tukufanya hivi na hivi. Nitakuwa nimeharibu ile kazi yote nilifanya hapo mwanzoni.
So, what's the drama that's happening between the two of you?
Between me and...
Yeah, you and that family.
Sahi hatuna drama yoyote.
But there was a drama.
Hata haikuwa drama. Si mtu amenipigia simu ameniambia amefika mwisho na nataka kukufa, na nimejua zile shida alikuwa anapitia. Singekosa kumuokoa. Wakati alinihitaji sana nilijitokeza. Haikuwa rahisi. Nikijua Karangũ is a big brand, na he has been a good friend of mine miaka mingi. But kuna ile unachoose kutenda jambo ambalo ni jema, upoteze urafiki ama umaintain. Na saa hii pahali yako I hope ako sawa, na zile decision alimake zile decision ni better kwa maisha yake. Haikuwa kuje aishi kwangu miaka yote, alikuwa tu apitie kwangu, Mungu apitishe ile baraka alipitia juu yangu, aipitishie kwangu, na yeye ajisimamishe, maisha yake iendelee.
On issue ya mũgũnda ũrĩa akĩhetwo nĩ Wanja Nyarari, that land became an issue rĩrĩa ESSY Willy arĩkire gũkorwo akiuga atĩ, you know what, ona mũgũnda ũcio ndikwenda, if you're going to transfer the titles, please stop, let it remain under your name. Ũguo nĩguo akorirwo akĩra Wanja Nyarari. Na ũmũthĩ orio kĩũria kĩu na auga atĩ onire mũgũnda ũcio nĩ kũmũhĩtithania hamwe na TRIZA. And you know, she was just helping TRIZA. The fact that they had differed in terms of ideas and the steps to take next. Ndendaga handũ hegũkorwo na lack of respect, kana gũtuĩke atĩ Wanja nĩ ariugaga atĩ nĩ amateithirie no matirĩ na ngatho, and that is why she rejected that piece of land. Nauga atĩ mũgũnda wa 40/80 gũtirĩ ũrĩa ũngĩatũmire akorwo agĩikara atarĩ na thayũ, kana akĩmenyaga hena mũndũ handũ urauga ati ni amuteithirie muno. Those are her words. Before show, you know, ESSY wawili ni mauma na Karangũ wa Muraya na pale hivyo wakapiga picha and I think pale hivyo nie ngĩciria alikuwa ameenda kuambia ndũbati kuga ũũ ũbati kuga ũũ no nigetha ũsafishe rada. I'm just assuming nyuma mifango yao bila show live ndugathi guchoma mwana witu mandugathi gucina mbica, you get but I honestly don't know how to define these three people: Karangũ wa Muraya, ESSY wawili na TRIZA mamake Muraya, because at one point turamona me in different sides. Hederia ESSY wawili athire kuhonokia TRIZA, we will not see Karangũ with ESSY wawili. They could not see eye to eye. Go online tokiona, we don't know kama behind the scenes walikuwa wanaongea, but go online they could not see eye to eye. But right now neo ashio nonile kwanza kihagia kwa kihuro haria Blue Springs, and now it turns out that story on atotoi toko tukimenya hede ya launch na ono ni akoro confirm how be na show live ate Karangũ arutire TRIZA kwa ESSY nigetha amuhikie. Yo that only shows that gutire kindu kingiuka gatagati ka TRIZA, Karangũ na ESSY wawili. Ndiye maoni maku megiĩ uhoro uyu. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.
Kutetea TRIZA, okay, alifanya vibaya. So kama alifanya vibaya na ule mtu anatrust sana ni ESSY, nafaa kumuua, nafaa kumpiga, nafaa kumtupa, nafaa kwenda kumfanya vile nitamfanya, nafaa kumfanya hivyo. Surely kila mtu ako na weakness yake na hakuna mwenye anasomanga na weakness ya mtu mwingine. ESSY ni murogi ya torogaga na soguo ni wanyo ndiye guthusabogo. I will stand with her hata hii wakati yenye amemesi. Wanja alinipa plot thanks to her. Thanks to her, na sijamkosea mimi mwenyewe, mimi personally sijamkosea, and she knows that, and she tried to explain that on her Facebook wall, because mimi mwenyewe sijamkosea, but ule mtu amemkosea ako karibu na mimi. So tunafaa tufanye TRIZA nini? Tumuue. Unacheka? Ai, mimi si ati mtakuja tena kunicontrol. And she apologized. So mulikuwa anafaa kufanywa nini? Okay, nipeni msalaba na misumeno na nyundo nikamweke kwa msalaba niseme na kweli huyu mwanamke ndiye amekosea sana, nafaa kumuua. Nafaa kumuua. Roho yangu, nyamaza mami. Roho yangu nakasirikanga kweli, lakini sina ile roho ya guthinikania, ndire ngoro ya guthinikira ya kumudhinikania. Nende mwaririe ni muongereshe, nimwambie hapa ukufanya vizuri, kesho usirudie, na mtu haongereshangi watu hivyo. Si ndio? Hu record ni Wairimu wa Mushiri. She's the one who recorded her on Saturday, and she was pressured. Event kama hujaifanya event, kuna mtu anatuita mikora, bado hiyo ni jina na maybe inaweza kula pia hiyo. Hakuna mtu hawezi fanya makosa.